Can you imagine? Imagine one day without most essential substance. Imagine one day without one of the most precious resources of our life. Imagine one day without water. If you look at a map of the world, you will see that much of our planet is covered in water. Most people have heard Earth referred to as the water planet. But do you know? From the entire water of our planet, just only leaves less than 1% available for sustaining all life on the earth. Many people take water for granted and forget how important it is to our daily lives. Water pollution is a very serious environmental issue that we are facing right now. Water pollution can be caused through natural processes like the eruption of a volcano or silt from storms and floods. But unfortunately, most water pollution is caused by us, humans. Our rivers, reservoirs, lakes, and seas are drowning in chemicals, waste, plastic, and other pollutants. Did you know what happens when you leave trash laying around? You aren't only affecting others, but you are also destroying the environment and animals along with it. We need water. We need nature. But nature doesn't need us. Our actions will determine our fate. However, there are solutions. But everyone needs to contribute in order to keep our water healthy. Do it for our environment. Do it for your future. It all starts with you. Taking a step forward. Make sure your faucets aren't running. Make sure that any dangerous chemicals are never thrown directly into sinks or toilets. Keep the use of fertilizer and pesticides at a minimum. Always pick up any trash lying around, even if it isn't yours. Planting trees to help recharge groundwater. I'm Tiara. Keep your water available and clean. It's up to you. It's up to me. It's up to all of us.